Yeah, okay, Sima yi. Sima address yi, what to so kakra.
So mama me vino.
Ah.
I want me do case for honra. Just say.
Okay, Kasia Brenda yaw, mami too.
Sompa 3.1.
What you say a woman say 11 or how dear now by no a yedu between.
Na ningina mo openi na chese bibie no hono mabesi amama mpeni na sapa ko se IMF fonsa o se insida.
Anana shanka for do no abashase 20% in mo ba ye wo de ebeye djuma.
Na Civil and Local Government Staff Association for the Omachi Atena ba wiye ni ebusasa nyembia no nutriti allowance no
Sompa 3.1.
Afa ye be ko Sudan man mu na meka sa de hye bia wo Sudan man mu so ahyase eyo ye kire sane ye be ya asraf dom ye age man no so no wo mo ebesesa adwene.
Awsafo weni afofro ya kekese ye ne se kase a ba bia wo bia no pe ye ba ye ba besomo ye ne ye so na ya abo amali bia bogamene
akosia eje wakode
yan sheka sena semfam so fo we sika sanu ne ntuche so yira keno furiata atena ye na odi atudwa se bibie ne hono mabesie amama danko forward watchman pc be ma board na yempi apan sa de Ghana man e fa IMF for ensa oni tua semra mampeni na do danko forward wo kantamade nsia wi aboagu so Pakosa ne hwene so akota fre na batwe so my God no bekuta masumdwe kwa so ene ewiamu ayi nsuomu anadwumo ye ton safre no man no obekuta mu ne adeade a wokọ akotena eye akonya so no ene wo se bo sabre no krade na chese Ghana ye hyehya mefofo nsa ene dwomu krokramu ade o my God na firi mo ena na no keno friata ene nsamtwefo botu my kakra no wo chese amanfo keka ena chese wo my God enyen ebe ya yensan koya mefuno mo na beboye World Bank ni ade an wo chese bibie no hono mebesi amama mpeni na do danko akufo na ba yese omdo man no esa akwa se IMF for ensa.
The budget that we constructed for 2022 and the subsequent announcements that we have done, clearly the issue of Ghana having the capacity to think through the consolidation exercises and also discipline itself with regards to the 20-30% cuts, etc., that we have shown, clearly a direction that I guess even in a sense the fund may be hesitant to push any further with regards to that. So clearly with regards to sort of philosophical alignment about realizing that we needed this type of consolidation, we have done that. Then we get to the issue of our debt level for the financing, which dovetails into the World Bank's, Nancy talked about the World Bank's advice on the creditor committee. And the question then becomes whether the fund would have the type of resources that will require to really inoculate a program for the debt. And that is a question that is hanging whether they can. But we have committed, as you know, to not going back to the fund because in terms of intervention of policy, we are right there in the fund notes that we are completely in the right direction. And so the issue is validating the program that we have put in place and then, in my view, supporting us to find alternative ways of financing or
Ken Oforiata so for show may yesika some and into so.
Was say, well, my Ghana, Ilevia, who draw Barno dear Bano Yadia, well, how near Pinisia would the announce Wabastra Ghana this year, say, Yen Tum, Nayan Chia to a son, say, a 2 away a year, ye bet me a Buamo, my Ghana Puntu, a Jina Nenaso.
I'm very confident that it opens a whole new vista for our tax handles. In a way in which all Ghanaians would also be paying something. I don't know of any program which has technology involved that will not have teething problems. But certainly cataclysmic, pronouncement by people on the other side is not happening. I think we pretty much have it under control as much as you can. We started on May 1st. We were blessed with that being a period of a holiday for 3-4 days. So we saw the issues and began to tackle them. Will there continue to be certain technical issues? There will be. But certainly not the Armageddon that was pronounced for us.
You kind of retire so for ya or she sick as some so and no some for shame dear course or no and or dear semi etuja.
Yan to us in from free so for Sikasan and teachers so Raken of Riatana Yen from call civil and local government staff association for close action. Now and run a better ja, Sir Omochi at Tiano no more Kutemua Yane Kika Kobo Somino. Omo Adea Akye Abia na omo ati omo de Abia and ansantwefo busasa nyimbiano almost neutrality allowance no a na omo kukutua so se chinchin omo nsanka omo ensa enkwadwuma no anyimbi omo saka na and so ma ora Emmanuel Aka why national organizer edema closer keku no Sompa Tvfm nsantwefo ko na kache kubusa na nyimbiano allowance no omo nsaka na and o che so omo nsanka endemum sa abose we ya mampani na nadodan kwakufo no na badia ma wunu no emu du emu soso ehwam anu ntina ma omo strike no ma twa sense Yakopon ya domadwada omo ebesa kwa
Sompa
Amina asemi office no problem na national labor commission ese amani se onye so be kaya national labor commission ama directive sa amani payment plan and control internal no payment plan and control Besides, national police strike. But almost start to we know said the press conference. We are first half of the game. The first half near the Akye, second half Nankasa so a proper conditions of service Nankasa. And the draw also the BCB and the Rooms Maswati. Oh, and then National Executive Council, the CIA, so the Kaya start striking on my post striking. And I know on council the big time police strike now. And no we share no more say the way and the MSC or no more just let not from Quadia. Then the young police striking of not your mouth and encouragement. So when I are away. Then area city is entitled to opinion. A democracy. The caravan penny on my penny proponent can say I didn't say. And the Omannhene on which I hire can be also. Omannhene on which
we ora Emmanuel Aka national organizer the civil and local government staff association of Ghana.
Sompa 3.1.
Another day and my Ghana Shanka for the Don Wabashasie ama and to move 20% by one more to me Adea Juma. A woman say free nano memenda ye no Ashanka for the Don Washasie up to one dear na so Kidia. Boston and America so dear and a Sujina de Jina. Wabaya Mani Bonnie Benjamin could see a boss so ekoho ene asankafo binum kwati nkomo no mo kyerem se wo mo de wo mo ginhyehyeye di wo mo de hyehye ne mra na ye adwuma enti ene da dua yi ena wo mo hwa ne mu se ka hyentuade ntumu no wo mbetumi ede ababiu
enti we ntumu no se ye twa ye mpelifo Ghana mra na ye de adwuma ye tin fa ye pe gase atum emra na abasa 20% the official no ye mpelifo ka se jamia de mo tsena ena official na se atum enti wo medical atum fiduare ba na so ina no anya kwampa and into the chance and I'm not watching officially no. price never out. No cry, and so the new power so. And I'm saying, any person for the man, so yes, you're the junior more. For young so much any nipper. But certain America, you didn't come on, because say, Pass the Cassia to see a more. A Jumano, any person for me, I'm white. I can say, Namia Duma outside in the bar. That the law can fight me and some years and on. COVID never in any choose to say. Yariano say co president because he ain't doing a day. And ya spent a Mutsano, Edempa, or Kutuji, anyone, Jedi, but you say, still have been maintaining the government, they did cover the bar and the statue, no still 7 casino. 69 a day, you maintaining. Zamia mouth now, new first neighbor, still have 69 a day, Yefa. Nipa African, no credit and why. Because of Pampaso, and no more Juma was any more, and the wounded account now, I made 1 a day, to see me. Nina can't continue maintaining trainer. Because, say, system, I will put you okay, so MY.
Oh my Ghana Shanka for be ya walk a bus terminal, and I am Boni Benjamin could see a bosso and a woman edim come.
I was a fire for Monquat and once and some no penny be a wabby pa. Oh my Ghana, Amamra Constitution, I'm running chairman of one. What do lawyer or Ghana twasso? I call the Gambia no near their day. Aqua judge near their day or honor when they watch church or my Ghana Amamra Constitution no more. And it's true near fight yen sass at all. And nay, yen sass once and somewhere. And watch as a Ghana Yamranwa. Yaquaco Tintim's new land act no. A bad thing says a Cobasebia memi yet more for not metawasam so. Not Obama in Chansebia asasibi and a mansoni a pochi a wahunto. Memfa ebia, Yakosibonifer is a restraining order and concotoswa. Was it Emrana yet intim say no, a bad dinner so to more for be a bit too sana mono, the sun summit to Jawabra, not what intim woman for frokra, ya no baba ya mamrenia mania pahuntuma. No all common penny that John Jacum dear woke for, brother Pabas and Tiapega any day concron, not sana yet, no wakwachiano, na odin woman be a quaquachino, and all the sun some yet to Jawabra, not only near Kujoba for 18 como. Na his lordship Alexander said to HS baby a general dear, I hope say and sa some man so near Pochino, say a chobecha, na a hope yasi a tintimumra, a ye papa, na ebe bwakwe, and yes, I debia, and sa senade, ye be church woman sonsa.
As I say, idea individual, nipa ultimate develop without assassin. Institution, intimate BBA without assassin. Or my intimate tumpon without assassin. So my Ghana bit me a tumpon. You hear, say, you share and sassy, some who a na me know I won't cry any problem be bra, a coso, a land guts, and a double seal of lands, and a dear kika home. Me dear may say be my judge, or lands court, or tema, and in crime. Emma meaning the coso, a moon, I know anything a mamma book a far as I say home. Now my penny kufu so maybe a lawyer no ne pencil and or man not akunya so and I'm a lawyer. Make us say in fie eduoni 2002 na ye call lawyer you know oba program na say ebe so ye nsachi aye e share ye dey enti se nyame ayadom na say odinim di adom me na metimi de enwoma a ebe bo my Ghana say about let me say who he has said me di kan ba ne na se de ne de ebre no ansana metimi atom.
His Lordship Alexander Osei Tutu Nebusia for yetening can wabene pa Omra Hunsemo. Na mampenida da John Jakum dear work of force so kakra any.
Studying land and ownership of land, whether it's lease or freehold or whatever, becomes very, very crucial. So I think I'm so pleased, one, for your decision to come to remind me that it was during my tenure as president of our land that you were called to the bar 20 years or so ago. And then also that you've been elevated to the bench, and you haven't just used your time adjudicating, you've coupled it with writing, researching and writing, and trying to bring the law on land up to date. So I congratulate you, and I want to let you know that you make me proud. You've reminded me of those times, so congratulations, Your Lordship.
Jumadi sonko bi akoso wa santemante mu nkronkro ahodo be senan bi ti senkawe nyina hini manso kwanta na fetepa ya ne nyina no afa wo mayi dum jadwumako wo mo hyehye jumadi ahodo won mu die ekwan ya wo befa so be kirekire mamma no se koba se wachina bi eja bi eto obi fie akwan ya befa so be di hujuma ade afa enam so ma santemante mu assistant chief fire officer edema dum jadwumako no DO1 Harry jiwa semtrofo ekasai echeche mu se ebre ni yesi ehunu enuoma hodo a wose ye sekoba seja eto babia.
Safety is a shared responsibility, and if safety is a shared responsibility, whatever we need to maintain the safety, we all have to share. To say be a judge or baby one free so a judge to baby I won't say and yet ye buy and yet ye sang ye di niama ye dum janu. Most of the time niama no ebi enipo ebi kra de wo no so ebi I saw ana I touch makakra nti say you can say here niama de boa ye here na bibiri to say ye 10 days extrication equipment ye even utility vehicles ye here niama bibiri. And to say, Ankra Nani Park, so it's also welcome. And like I always say, government wants me then, or yet, dear moon, but
and what you know, any this year be our Belgium, you know, say no one so for so and so it didn't come.
In the 29th, I dress competition, a more than some of the lapses are, well, as you know. This is and I dress another for no.
We can Badomio, fire commander of the Techno Fires. Yes, it's an excellent regional command, and I was my idea. And as you are here, you yourself, you observe, say there are a lot of on our firefighting and other things.
District fire commander. Okay, the boy in the sense is mostly Timamufono, Amunti, Jumana, yeah, and I see. Until the Jumadi, the Yama, we said the fire service start here, no, because we man from Swama, but I won't say, since you know, if beings will not begin, increase pressure now within by 10 minutes, no, in soon in I was said, a Timamufono in a moon, said on Batadia, Yanamufone.
Way a year, Jumedia Sonqua, a course so a war carrying in a hinitapa, and a famous so and quanta. After your common in Semu. Woko Sudan manu mu asebra yeka say asumdue friends asumdue ebi enso de ni hosa October bosumi afie atwamu no na asrafo dom kwaje man ne boss so ye se wo mo so ba bebu mo man etika ho bi ma de hia no moti ano moti Sudan man mu no na akwakoye pinson e de ama wonom enam so ma meka say Sudan de hia no mu bi akeka wo mo ho ama nipa be se aduwotwe de asrafo dom na kire wo mo nyina de akwakongu afiase ne nyina no ye se wonom e kire se Sudan man ne hia asumdue one mu yaso munya omufa hodie na afei tetentere ne wo msa so ko enka ne dwumadia na won mu diem se ye be ma kwan ama nipa wonyo sra ni ababedu oman no so eno na akokoya asemsebe ye nei edo Sudan man mu ya wo mu bobo ho enam so ntina de hye no mu binu mu ya kira hodo a one mo ye e wo Sudan man mu no one mo koto asra mama hodo so mo mfoma no ntum se ne be ya Sudan man na somdua ne wo hon ma bi atwamu no ebesan so ababiu.
Yegina we suna no pay nsemo e baba no de beso mo yemfa mo nsia se na Afia Adea Akye Abia entwaso emfamfiri ha ye ne yeso mo na ya bo amalibia bogamene
tia eje wakodie
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu kono a woto ase ho no ntina fa usrem ekosi wo na ase ho no ebo betimi atutu ama wo ankasa wo ho ba bia enye enti 21st clinic wo mo na ye sciatica expert e wo Ghana ha wo mo dia bibiduro so ho bibiduro ankasa ene besa o yade no masa de machine aka ho yade bibiduro ka oni asa de wato machine so yasa ya o massage bi ye wi a herbal treatment yade awono ama wo sciatica 21st clinic na ye expert a wo to ase Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho
wo oboase wo be ho 21st clinic wo oboase council quarters wo oboase court junction wa
ena kuma senso ahia uduru session so wo mo na nwie dwabo so wo mo ho sunyane ni wenchi ni ba bia nkranza 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert